to change the alternator. They said the regulator went bad in it, so you feel me? I'm gonna change it. This is my baby here. You know what I'm saying? I had her with 3 years, going on 3 years. I got it like right after I graduated high school. You got a LS one with a 5.7 engine in here. You got 243 headers. I don't know what type of cam in there, but y'all get it's a big cam in there. Just a little something set up. I'm really handicapping her right now to get everything situated. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get back to y'all. Get done. So you know, the radiator gonna be below here. So first, you know, you're gonna have to remove your radiator cover, your upper radiator hose. You gotta pull your serpentine belt off, to loosen the pulleys and stuff. You gotta move your coil iron tape. Put it up here. See, I got the belt and everything up there. Gotta get this out of the way to give you some clearance to even take the alternator off. See the alternator right here. And it got 3 bolts. Yeah, I want to say they 15mm bolts. All 3 of them. Let me show you. So let's bring the alternator right here. Got 3 bolts. Got one right here, one right here. And supposed to be a 3rd one. Oh, the 3rd one in the back. So these are the tools that you really need for real. So this right here. It's a 12mm. Let's see. It's a 12mm bolt. That's for the back of the alternator. Connect your ground to it. Now you have 15mm. Bolts all 3 of them. This go to the back. These 2 hold them in the front. I use this to take the clamps out the hoses. Ready to hold and stuff. This for my coil iron tape and everything else. So I got a couple things on there that you can use flat head for. Yeah. This I use. Take the hose loose. But that's pretty much it. You can see. Down here, I already took the old one off because I had to go replace it for the new one. So that one already gone off here. Go ahead and get back to it and put it on to see how many volts. Cause the other one I was getting, I was testing the value.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It was a multimeter digital thing to check my battery. When I checked my battery, it was giving me 12.1 volts from the battery and the alternator. I checked the alternator too. I did both of them, and they were both pushing out 12.1. So I turned the car on, see, because usually when the car running AC, you got all the accessories on, it usually should be pushing 13.6 or close to 14 at the most. 14. So my car wasn't pushing that, so yesterday I took it to the parts store and put the scanner on it, and he told me that the regulator inside of the alternator was bad, so I had to take the car home, let it sit overnight, woke up today, and when it replaced it, so that's the new alternator I'm finna put on my car. So y'all just stay tuned.